Good afternoon, students. Here Soru sir with a new video of class 6th, chapter 5, Oliver Twist. So students, in previous video we have been discussed and we have been read all lesson, all chapter 5 and with explanation of this chapter. Now, as previous I told that we will do all question answers of I understand of this chapter. So students, in this series we see the questions of portion B of I understand. Answer these questions. If you see the first question, and the question is, why did the board members decide to change the meals? So what is the question? Why did the board members decide to change the meals? That means the meals or that dinner, lunch and breakfast was given to all student boys in the workhouse. So why the board decided to change that meal or quantity of meal? What was the reason behind of it? This is the question. So student, as you know, in that workhouse, the board members wanted that the costs and the expenses which are of workhouse, they wanted to decrease that expense or to less that expense. For that they decided to change the meals. So I'll be putting question again, students, and this question is on page number 37. You have to open your book, chapter 5. So why did the board members decide to change the meals? So what was the reason? Question is, what was the reason that board members decided to change the meals? So the reason was the board members decided to change the meals because they wanted to reduce cost of workhouse. Because they wanted to reduce cost of workhouse. Cost means here expense, students. The expenses or the expense of money and everything they wanted to reduce. In their opinion, the cost was high, the expense was high on workhouse for meal, and that's why they wanted to change the meal. Okay, students? If you see the second question, and the second question is, the author says that the poor people should have alternative of being starved by slowly over time in the house or by a quick one out of it. What does he mean by this? So if you see, the second question is given in your course book, the para, if you see the third para, in that there was an alternative opinion given. So the author says that the poor people should have the alternative of being starved by slowly over time in the house or by a quick one out of it. What does he mean by this? So students, in explanation of question, what does it mean? That somebody of board members says in that slowly over time in the house being starved or cook one of it. That means they decided to give less meal or insufficient meal in workhouse, and because what was the reason behind and cause behind of it? They thought that if there would be less and insufficient food material in workhouse, so every boys have different appetites, different hunger and capacity of eating food. So they thought someone would be would not be able to survive by that insufficient food, and someone can be survived more. So this was the meaning of these things which is written in that. that the author said the poor should have the alternative of being starved by slowly over time in the house or by a quick one out of it. So in the answer we write, he means that all the boys have different appetites, so some boys will survive more or some less. So what was the opinion behind the workhouse members of board? That they thought if there should be insufficient or lack of food, so children or boys of there have different appetites and hunger. So according to their appetites, someone will lose their life early and someone will lose their life in later time. So this was the meaning and explanation of second question which was asked. Okay, students, if we see the third question, the third question of this portion, question is describe the scene at the dining room. So students, as we discussed in earlier video, that all students were in discussion that some boy has to demand more food while they distribute the food. So in evening time, at time of supper or dinner, the boys decided in their personal meeting that one has to say after the gruel or oat milk which is given them, when it will be decreased or ended, so that time one boy has to ask more food. This was decided within the boys in their meeting. So Oliver Twist or Oliver was that boy who has to say in the meeting. So what was the condition of dining room? As we know, in dining room there was a cook master on a copper. He was preparing his food and some assistants of him were there along with the boys of workhouse. So this was the scene of dining room. So question 3, describe the scene at the dining room. Students, answer is, there was a cook master on copper and some assistants of him along with the boys of workhouse. There was a cook master on copper and some assistants of him along with the boys of workhouse. So this was the scene of dining room which has to describe. Okay, students, we move further on question number 5, students, and question 5 is, what role did Oliver Twist play in resolving the problem? So students, question I have to explain. What role did Oliver Twist play in resolving the problem? What was the problem? First we have to know. Problem was there that boys were unfortunately given less food or less food material to eat. So that was a major problem of boys of workhouse, and this thing has been decided in the board meeting of that workhouse because they wanted to reduce the costs of that workhouse. So how to resolve this problem, how to solve this problem, all boys decided, and somebody has to come out and has to dare to say that this problem has to be resolved, and when the boys have to say with their master, only then this problem would be resolved. So they decided and they influenced to Oliver to say with master. So what was there in question? What role did Oliver Twist play in resolving the problem? So students, in answer we see, to resolve the problem, Oliver demanded more food from master. So Oliver decided that if I shall demand more food with my master, then this problem will be in conclave, and in that any decision can be come out. So to resolve the problem, Oliver decided to say to master of cook that he wants more food. So elsewhere he was not knowing that what will be the result of this argument and question what he is going to ask, but he has been decided that I will ask more food to resolve this problem. So if we answer this question, simply we have to write this. So repeating this question again, what role did Oliver Twist play in resolving the problem, students? To resolve the problem, Oliver demanded more food from master. To resolve the problem, Oliver demanded more food from master. After then, he sent that all things in conclave, and after that the solution and all things started. So we have to write this answer, students. And students, if we see our last question, question number 6. What action was taken against Oliver? So Oliver was not well known that what would be the outcome and result of this thing which he is going to ask and say. So he was thinking that by this way the solution of that problem will come out, but somehow unfortunately solution wouldn't come and couldn't come. Instead of that, Oliver was imprisoned, Oliver get punishment, and so many things are going to happen with Oliver, and this question is basically related by that things. So what is the question? What action was taken against Oliver? So students, answer is Oliver was imprisoned and board announced that anyone can take him as a worker in 5 pounds. What happened, students? Oliver was imprisoned because what he said, what he demanded was not good for workhouse members or board, and in the conclave they horrified and get angered and surprised that how would come anyone can demand more food. This was terrific for them, and by that we can say they were, after listening that, they were in mood of taking hard action against Oliver. So what they did, Oliver was imprisoned, they sent Oliver in prison, and board announced that anyone can take him as a worker in 5 pounds. They also auctioned him as a sale boy, and they auctioned him as anybody can take him in 5 pounds if somebody wants him, if someone, him or her, wants to take him with her or him in their work or business, so they can take him after giving 5 pounds. So they auctioned him, and till then they imprisoned him. So students, we solved 6 questions here, and with explanation. So because these questions are important in upcoming examination, so students, in homework you have to write this question in your notebook with neat and clean writing, and write also word body of this lesson and a small summary of this lesson. Students, I solved, or I wrote 6 question answers of I understand today, and in homework you have to also do the portion A and C, which is have to take from this excerpt. What was the hard I have been done here. Okay students, till then have a nice day. Read more and more to take good marks. Thank you.